Hello students, how are you all? So we already started our chapter working with styles and objects. Till now you have worked with styles, we have worked with shapes, we have worked with text box, right? Today we will learn more about shapes. You have learned to insert shapes in your MS Word. Now we will understand how to insert text in that, how to write inside the shape. So today and other tools also, other shape tools also we will learn about clip art, how to insert a clip art in your document and other things. So let's go and read. So here we are in our placing text in shapes. Like this shape has been taken, and how to you do to add in this, right click on the object and select the add text option. If I see, we see in the PowerPoint also, placing text in shape, right click anywhere, right click anywhere on the shape. That means if this shape is drawn here, do right click on the shape, choose the option add text. This places an insertion point inside the shape where you can type. Let's understand it in MS Word also. Like we have created a shape here. Like suppose I am taking a shape like this. I hold my mouse and dragged it, right? So this shape has come. So if you see, our four-headed arrow comes but no insertion point is there. So how to do this? Do right click on the shape. There is an option add text. If you can see here, this insertion point comes here. So if I start writing placing text in shape, as you can see, now we can type inside, but its text is very small, so you can select and go to the home, increase the size. Now it will be visible to you, right? So if you see, when I am not selecting the shape, the format tab is not here. When I clicked inside the shape, the format tab comes, right? So how to do, I am telling you again. Now suppose one more shape we are going to add. Insert shapes. Now suppose I am taking this smiley. Suppose here I am drawing, right? So what is the step? Do right click, add text option. So the text comes here, right? Smile. So select home, increase the size, and this way you can write the text inside a shape. So I think it is clear how to place text in your shape. Now let's learn about how to apply shadow in your shapes. If you see it in your book, there are some drawing tools. The format tab I was talking to you, that was all tools are available here, which are there in the format tab, right? Like shape outline, which I have shown you in the previous text box also. Weight, that means the thickness of the shape. Fill tool, fill the color in the shape. So all these tools which we have already learned into the text box and other things, that can be also used in the same way here. Let me show you how to use it in MS Word. Like if you see here, suppose this is my first shape. If I'll see, go to it. So by default the text background is blue. So go to the format tab. There is a shape fill. Use any other color which you like and fill. Shape outline. As I have already explained you this weight tool also, like this. Outline means the outer border of the shape. Now if you see, there is dashes also. So that is what kind of you want, border you want. So this. So whatever is this is all the colors of the border. So here you can apply the border color also. So shape outline button has three features. The one is weight, that is the thickness of the border, dashes, the type of the border, and the color you want of the border, right? So this all can be done from this shape online outline button. Get it on? So shape effects. Now these are the shape effects. If you see here, how to apply shadow in your shapes. Shadow means like this. Whatever is written here, it is the object, and whatever is visible at the back, that is a shadow. It is down here, it is in this corner here, it is in this corner here, or this kind of shadow you want, this type of, or this type of shadow you want. So all these are the shadow effects that can be applied with that shadow effects tool. As it is in the shape effects button, you go to the shadow and choose. If you see shape effects, bevel, can you see the changes at the previous image? Actually it is not clear because it is coming on the option. Let me show you now. Click format, shape effects, glow. See, the glow has come to your shape. That you can change the color also like this, or you want the shadow can come. Okay, this one will take. Let me show you. Can you see this shadow here? So this is a shadow of the star shape. So all these things you can take from here, right? So this type reflection you can take. So all these things are there which you can do. Get it, children? So we have learned about how to insert text into your shape and how to change the look of the shape, appearance. You can apply border, you can change the style of the border, you can put color to the border, you can change the background, text also you can write. So all these things we have learned till now. Interesting? So do start your practice in your computer and create some funny shapes and write something inside that and fill it with colorful vibrant colors so that it looks attractive, right? Let's understand the next one. What is there? In our next topic, it is inserting clip art. What is clip art? A clip art is a gallery of pre-designed pictures. That means already in MS Word there are some pictures placed which can be inserted directly into your document. How to use it? By clicking on the insert tab, choosing the clip art button, and then in the illustrations group you write and find out. Let's see it. As you can see here, a clip art is a collection of pictures that can be imported into a document from the predefined pictures. Go to the insert tab, choose a clip art command, insert tab, clip art command, and in the illustrations group you will see here all the pictures. You can type search for box. You can see here You can type some word and click on go button. Like if I'm searching on the computer, type computer here and click on go button. That means it will show you the computer pictures down here. Let's do it in MS Word. As go on insert tab, go to the clip art option. Okay, I have different MS Office. It is 2016, so there is no clip art option here. Wait, sorry children, in my MS Office it is other version rather than Office 2007, so I don't have the clip art option here, as it is taking the online pictures directly. So you have to understand it through the slides only. Like here, by clicking on insert tab, by clicking on this clip art button, type any word here. It is possible you will not find, if you type some any name and the related to that word, the pictures are not there in that library, so it will not show you anything. So it is better to just delete that word, leave it empty and just click on go button. While clicking on go button, it will show you all the pictures here. So how to insert it? By clicking on the picture directly, you can insert it into your word art. Whenever you click on this picture, it will be inserted onto your document. So next is inserting symbols and special characters. Symbols and special characters are the punctuations, spacing and typographical characters that are not available on the keyboard. Some kinds of symbol which are not available on the keyboard, they can be find out in the symbol dialog box. How to get it? By clicking on the insert tab, symbols group. This is a symbol button. Click on symbol. This symbol box appears, right? Select the font of your choice and then click the insert button here. Click the insert button. Whenever you choose any button here, suppose this one you want, click on insert and it will be inserted. I think it is very much clear here. By clicking on insert tab, you will find this symbol button. Click. When you click, it will go to the more symbols, as it is showing only these many symbols here, but if you want more, you can click on more symbols and you will get this dialog box here. So by dragging this ruler bar, you can go up and down and choose your symbol and click on this insert button. As this I can show you in this, by clicking on insert tab, here is symbol button. As you see, here are some of the symbols available, like smiley. It has come because smiley is not on your keyboard. So if I want some other symbols, then click on more symbols here. As you can see, hand, choose and insert. As you can see, Caesar, select and click, insert. As you can see, it is inserted. Or if you want some other, like telephone symbol is not there, so you choose, click on insert. So same way you will find some symbols over there in your, by dragging it down, you can see the multiple symbols here. You can select and choose. Okay, so by here also you can change the category, and this way also you can choose. Understand? So choose a font style and then click on the symbol, then click on the insert button. The symbols will be inserted. So then click on, after insertion you can click on close button. So this way this will be present on your screen document. Next is applying shadow to your object that we have already done. I have shown you how to do it on your object. Object means any shape. So this you have already learnt as your chapter is over. So dear children, today we have learnt about placing text in shape, applying shadow, inserting clip art and inserting symbols and characters. Thank you. So I think it would be very interesting to do it in your computer now. So be ready and do your work and practice and have fun. Thank you beta. Thank you all.